Welcome to the parent tutorial video for Raptor Technologies. The purpose of this video is to show you how to create a visitor profile and how to use the visitor management system. In today's video, we will cover these items. This video will contain footage of our Fresno campus and our Oakhurst campus. While some aspects may look a tad different, the items described in this video will apply to both campuses. For the 2023-2024 school year, we do recommend that you stop by the front desk of your campus during November and December on a day you plan to be here already. This should graciously spread out the profile creation process for our office staff. When you do that, please take a few minutes to create your profile. Starting January 4th, 2024, all parents and visitors will need to sign in and sign out if they intend to pass the front desk space of any campus, or if they plan to stay on campus longer than the time needed to pick up or drop off a child or to drop off an item, such as lunch, snack, or a cell phone. Let's start with how to create a profile. Please let any of our office staff know that you need to create a Raptor profile. This will only take a few minutes. They will ask you for your driver's license. We affectionately call the ID card scanner a toaster. Much like bread dips into the machine and pops back up, your driver's license will do the same thing. Our office staff will direct your attention to the toaster. Do not push your license into the machine, please. Just gently set your license into the scanner. Make sure your picture is in the down position toward the ground, not pointing up to the ceiling. After our office staff clicks a few buttons on their screen, your license will drop into the toaster. When the scan is complete, the license will pop back up. If the scan was not successful, our office staff may need to scan it a second time. When the scan is officially complete, please take your license back. Our office staff will ask you where you plan to go during the day. This is a requirement for the Raptor system. If you don't have an official destination, that's fine. Our office staff will simply pick a random location for you. Once that has been decided, a sticker will print. We ask that all our parents and visitors wear these stickers while on campus. This lets our staff know that you have stopped by the front desk or any of our kiosks and you have signed in. You then have permission to be on campus. When it is time to leave, there is more than one way that you can sign out. You can either use your driver's license to sign out, or you can manually enter your personal information into the system. When you use any of our Raptor stations, we request that you always use the larger all-in-one kiosk. When you have signed in on campus, you do not need to sign in if you move from building to building. Signing in once lets us know that you are somewhere on campus. Your driver's license has two barcodes. So far, we've seen that Raptor is capable of scanning either one. Please place your license under the scanner. You will see a green light appear. That light should line up with one of those barcodes. The screen will let you know that you have signed out successfully. You're free to throw your sticker away at this time. Now, the next time that you come on campus, you will not need to interact with our office staff. Your profile has already been created. So let's review the sign-in process utilizing the kiosk. You can use your driver's license to scan in. Just use those barcodes again, and now you will need to determine a destination based on the options you see on the screen. If you plan to go 3 different places, that is just fine. Simply pick one. At this point, your sticker will print right here at this kiosk. If a sticker fails to print for any reason, please let our office staff know. They will assist you with that. If you left your driver's license in your car, you can still sign in and sign out. You do not need to head back to your car to retrieve that. To sign in manually, you will click the button that says, I don't have an ID. The kiosk will prompt you to make a selection. Your two choices are visitor or contractor. Our contractors would be plumbers, electricians, and other service providers. You're obviously going to choose visitor on the left. When you do this, a manual entry screen will appear. The keyboard icon next to each field will cause a keyboard to pop up. Tap the first box, then tap the keyboard. Enter your first name. Once you've completed that, tap on the second box, tap the keyboard, and then enter your last name. Thirdly, tap the birth date area and enter your birth date. Use the next button at the bottom right of the screen. At this point, since you have already created your profile will appear right here, as long as there were no typos. Choose your profile, click Next. If you're signing in, you will be prompted to select a destination and wait for your sticker. The same process should be repeated when you are signing out if you have chosen manual entry. You'll select that you do not have an ID. You will type in all of your information and then you will choose Next. Your profile will appear on screen to confirm that we're signing out the right person. And at this point, no destination is needed because you're simply signing out. You should see a success screen letting you know that you have signed out successfully. If you see an error message on the screen at any point, simply let our staff know. Our office staff will be happy to assist you. In the event you have not returned to the main screen because somebody else just signed in, you will need to force the screen back to the beginning. Utilize this button in the bottom left corner in order to start over so that you can sign in or sign out properly. In order to find out more about the Raptor Visitor Management System, we recommend that you visit any one of our websites. From the Resources tab, you're going to scoot down to where it says Raptor. You can do this from the Endeavor website, the Mountain Home website, the Glacier website, or the Western Sierra Charter Schools website. Each of those websites will contain this link. When you reach the Raptor page, you will find the recording of the Community Town Hall, the student information video, in conjunction with questions and answers. Lastly, you will also find an informational document from Raptor itself. You may also access this website directly by going to wscsfamily.org/Raptor. If you have a relative who plans to be on campus for any period of time, we recommend that you share this video with your family members. They may need to create a profile as well. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial and have a great day.